The allure of hidden lakes, aptly framed by the phrase water's whispers, unknown lakes that captivate the soul, embodies a sense of mystique and enchantment that compels exploration and admiration. These bodies of water, often tucked away from civilization's all-seeing eye, offer a serene refuge and evoke a profound connection to nature's quiet elegance. They defy the common experiences associated with more familiar lakes, providing an untouched beauty and exclusivity that speaks deeply to the human desire for discovery and solitude. The significance of hidden lakes in this context cannot be overstated. They serve as gateways to understanding the broader theme of water's subtle charms and how it captivates and enriches human experience. By focusing on lesser-known lakes, we highlight not only their aesthetic appeal but their ecological and cultural relevance. These lakes are crucial biodiversity hotspots, often housing unique species and fragile ecosystems that can be the basis for important environmental research and conservation efforts. Furthermore, they are cultural treasure troves, often steeped in local folklore and history, offering narratives of past lives and civilizations, thus enhancing their allure. Take, for instance, the Plitvice Lakes in Croatia, a cascade of turquoise gems hidden in lush woodland, which stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Their breathtaking beauty is a focal point for environmental protection and a testament to the power of nature to awe and inspire endless curiosity. Another example is Lake Hillier in Australia, distinguished by its vivid pink hue, a visual anomaly that generates both scientific inquiry and irresistible lure for travelers yearning for the extraordinary. Opinions supporting the allure of hidden lakes often revolve around their potential to foster mindfulness and connection to the natural world. Many nature enthusiasts advocate for the preservation of such untouched landscapes to maintain their pristine state for future generations to explore and revere. However, challenges exist in balancing conservation with the increasing desire for adventure tourism. The potential ecological impact of increased human activity poses a significant concern for environmentalists. Controversially, some argue that revealing too much about these lakes can strip away their mystery, thus diminishing their appeal. The debate between promoting natural wonders for public enjoyment versus protecting them from human encroachment is ongoing. Yet, what remains undisputed is the influence these hidden lakes have on igniting a sense of wonder and inspiring connectedness in a world that often feels out of touch with its natural roots. They link seamlessly to the broader theme of water's whispers, inviting contemplation and fostering an appreciation for the less visible yet profoundly moving aspects of nature. In the narrative of water's whispers, unknown lakes that captivate the soul, the geographical significance of uncharted lakes serves as a compelling and fundamentally mysterious concept. Uncharted lakes, often hidden away from human settlement and influence, are bodies of water that have not been thoroughly explored or documented. These lakes are the geographical gems of our planet, residing in secluded locations, untouched by urban advancements or industrialization, and represent a diverse array of ecosystems, geological formations, and aquatic life. Their significance lies in their pristine conditions and the potential they hold for scientific discovery and environmental understanding. Exploring the geographical significance of these lakes can illuminate the expansive fragility and resilience of our natural world. They serve as untouched laboratories where researchers can study biodiversity, analyze historical climate patterns through sediment cores, and understand the intricacies of isolated ecosystems. For instance, Lake Vostok, buried under Antarctic ice, has captivated scientists due to its potential to unlock secrets about extremophile life forms and ancient climatological data. Similarly, Lake Toba in Indonesia, though relatively known, features a unique volcanic caldera structure, offering insights into ancient volcanic activity and its global impact. Many scientists and environmentalists regard the study of uncharted lakes as a necessity for advancing our ecological knowledge. They stress that these lakes, often isolated from anthropogenic influences, provide baseline data about natural environmental conditions. However, the exploration of these uncharted lakes invites controversies and logistical challenges. On the scientific frontier, accessing these remote locations can be physically demanding and expensive. There's also debate over whether human intervention in these pristine areas could lead to unintended ecological impacts, potentially disrupting these carefully balanced ecosystems. Critics might argue that resources could be better spent addressing immediate environmental issues rather than exploring remote lakes. Yet, advocates for exploration maintain that understanding these lakes can inform environmental policy, contribute to biodiversity conservation efforts, and offer insights into climate change resilience. The concept of uncharted lakes weaves into the broader tapestry of water's whispers by emphasizing the mysterious allure and unexplored nature of these bodies. They challenge our perception of boundaries and beckon a deeper understanding of Earth's hydrological wonders. This geographical significance not only captivates the soul, but also urges a respect for the delicate interplay between nature and science, inviting us to marvel at what remains hidden beneath the water's surface, ecological mysteries and discoveries. In the context of Water's Whispers, unknown lakes that captivate the soul refers to the intricate and sometimes enigmatic ecological characteristics and phenomena present in lesser-known lakes around the world. These lakes often follow unique ecological patterns, harbor endemic species, or behave in unexpected ways that defy conventional scientific understanding. Such mysteries hold significant value for researchers and ecologists, as unraveling them can offer insights into biodiversity, climate change, and environmental health. The significance of these ecological mysteries and discoveries ties directly into the allure and fascination these lakes cast over us. They are not merely bodies of water, they are repositories of untold stories and natural puzzles waiting to be solved. Investigating these mysteries can lead to groundbreaking discoveries that challenge our existing paradigms of lake ecosystems and inspire broader scientific inquiries. For instance, Lake Vostok in Antarctica is a prominent example. Hidden beneath miles of ice, it remains one of the Earth's largest subglacial lakes, harboring unknown freshwater organisms that could reshape current understandings of life's resilience in extreme environments. Another example is the pink hue of Lake Hillier in Western Australia, a spectacle that continues to intrigue scientists. While some posit that the coloration results from a particular type of algae and bacteria, definitive conclusions continue to elude researchers, sparking further studies into microbial life adaptations and lake chemistry. Such mysteries not only captivate scientific communities, but also draw global attention to these ecological wonders, highlighting the urgency of preservation efforts as they contribute to our planet's biological diversity. These endeavors are supported by scientists, ecologists, and environmentalists who underscore the importance of understanding these lakes to grasp broader ecological patterns and environmental shifts. However, there are challenges and controversies, particularly concerning human intervention, climate change, and resource exploitation. Debates often arise over balancing scientific exploration with the preservation of these habitats. Some argue that human activities could disturb delicate ecosystems, leaving irreversible impacts. Ecological mysteries and discoveries influence other aspects of unknown lakes by providing new knowledge that feeds into conservation strategies, educational outreach, and even ecotourism. These elements enhance the lake's cultural and scientific value, offering holistic insights into how humanity understands and interacts with these captivating natural wonders. Thus, delving into these mysteries not only broadens our ecological understanding, but also fortifies the spirit of exploration that drives us to engage with the world around us. The concept of cultural and historical contexts within the theme of Water's Whispers, unknown lakes that captivate the soul, refers to the rich tapestry of human experience and historical narratives shaped by lesser-known lakes. These bodies of water are often steeped in tradition, mythology, and history that have influenced local and even global cultures over time. The significance of understanding these contexts lies in recognizing how these lakes have woven through the fabric of societies, serving as sources of inspiration, sustenance, and spiritual significance. Exploring these cultural and historical connections enhances our appreciation of unknown lakes. For instance, Lake Van in Turkey, one of the world's largest alkaline lakes, carries immense historical weight. It was a central hub for the ancient kingdom of Urartu and later an essential cultural landmark for the Armenian people. Similarly, Loch Awe in Scotland is steeped in legends of clan battles and is home to several ancient castles, anchoring it in Scotland's historical geography. These examples demonstrate how lakes serve as vessels of human legacy, influencing cultures through their geographical and historical significance. Many scholars and enthusiasts highlight the intrinsic value of preserving these lakes, not only as natural resources, but as cultural archives. They argue that these bodies of water provide insight into the evolution of human societies and their relationships with nature. However, challenges arise in balancing the preservation of cultural heritage sites with modern demands, such as tourism and resource exploitation, which can threaten these delicate environments. There are also varying opinions on the interpretation of historical narratives. While some argue for a romanticized view of these lakes as timeless vessels of myth, others advocate a more pragmatic approach, emphasizing their functional roles in trade and sustenance. Cultural and historical contexts of unknown lakes influence other aspects of their significance by deepening our understanding of their ecological roles and the biodiversity they sustain. This interconnectedness highlights the need for a holistic approach to preserving these lakes, intertwining natural preservation with cultural acknowledgement. Ultimately, exploring the cultural and historical dimensions of unknown lakes broadens our perspectives, fostering a deeper connection with these captivating natural wonders. It reminds us that lakes are not isolated entities. They are embedded in the narratives that define human civilization, encouraging us to cherish and protect these storied landscapes for future generations.